How to unhook crate and barrel sectional 25 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to identify the connectors and start with the left or furthest section. Like begin the by examining the section furthest to the left or the section furthest from the corner, and this is often the easiest point to begin the disconnection process. And after that, you have to lift and separate. Gently lift the section upwards away from the connector, and if it's a hook or loop system, you may need to lift one side to the section up to the forward to disengage it and work around the sectional. Like once the first section is disconnected, move on to the next section and repeat the process and continue with pattern until all sections are separated, and check for detachable corners and consult a sectional manual. And let me give you some tips, like have someone help. Like disconnecting a sectional can be easier with two people, especially when lifting heavier pieces. Don't force anything. If a section doesn't disconnect easily, double check the connection and try again. And avoid pulling or yanking, like pulling on a section that is still attached could damage the sofa. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.